If you are looking for opportunities to move to USA and you do not know where to start, come closer, because today I want to share with you a very amazing pathway that will land you in USA in 2023. The only problem that is very unprecedented is the fact that sometimes the USA visa application processes can be long, but most of the times some of the employees and some of these employees are really willing to vouch for you so that you may get your visa application deadline and also you get your interviews scheduled on time. In today's video, I want to share with you very amazing companies that will land you to USA. They will give you what we call EB3 visa, a visa that allows you to get your green card and relocate with your family to USA. If you're coming across my video for the first time, my name is Kendi. I share information matters relocation abroad, either to work, for study, or for conferences. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate you. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. That way you'll help YouTube recommend this video to more people who are looking for this kind of information, and you will help me grow this channel. Everything I talk about on my videos is always linked on the description box, so always be sure to check that. All my paid services, whether CV review, a one-on-one sessions, me helping you to apply for jobs, that is personalized job application, you will also get them on the description box. I want to share with you companies that have already announced as of January 17th that they are now opening their doors, or they have rather opened their doors to foreign workers to apply, and if you qualify, they are going to contact you and give you visa sponsorship under the EB3 visa. I have talked about this visa a lot of times on this channel, and that is why I'll always go an extra mile to get you companies that are always willing to give you this visa. I know USA is a very coveted place for a lot of my followers, and that is why anytime I come across any opportunity that will land you in USA, whether as a skilled professional, as a non-skilled worker, or as a low-skilled worker, I am always here to update you. Guys, always remember to work on your CV, write a good CV, update your CV, tailor your CV, and do as many job applications as you can. If you're applying for caregiver jobs, which most of these companies I'm going to share with you are looking for caregivers, please remember to match your skills, your job descriptions, or the task that you've done to the job descriptions of what they are looking for. That way, you make it very easier for anyone who is viewing your CV, whether a system or any other person, to be able to know that this is a person who knows what they are doing. I want to share my screen with you. I'll be linking also everything on the description box, and what is left on your part is to do the necessary, and that is to apply to as many jobs, as many companies as you can.